Julius Otundo, uria ni murutani munene university-ini ya Iria, niugite ati Ndereti iri igukorwo igitabanio thiini wa thukuru cia secondary ne ciguteithiriria mbeu njithe muturire-ini wao. Akimenereria Ndereti iria igitabanitio kabere iria iratarakoretwo ikimaguna.
Public speaking is to arouse learners to become innovators and learning for life. Debate is a way of life, and debate is a way that causes innovation in learning, and learning without that does not cause transformation is not learning.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thukuru-ini andu preparatory kuria Ndereti ya mbere igukorwo augite andu ethi ni megukenerera gukururia mabururi mao ona ningi makurie meciria kuona Ndereti ici ni igukuruhania mabururi maingi ma Africa.
It is my challenge to all of us that we begin to embrace the creativity, innovation, critical thinking and problem solving of the young people. That we expose them more to public life and public influential life. That we begin to look at young people as leaders of today and even end the scenario of telling young people that you shall be leaders of tomorrow.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa Ndereti cia kibururi, Ndereti ici ni igukorwo igiteithia kuririkana mwarimu Julius Nyerere uria wathingagiriria urumwe na wendo kuhitukira Ndereti ota ici.
With the world becoming a global village, it is important that we notice that there are emerging issues daily that need optimised mind to create solutions. Corruption, radicalization, environmental issues, just to mention but a few, need engagement on a serious platform, and debating and public speaking forms this type of a platform.
Our other objective is to promote the spirit of brotherhood and unity as represented by mwalimu through fair competition.
Murutani munene wa thukuru iyo augite Ndereti ino ni guteithiriria kuhurana na ungumania gitaro-ini kia Africa. Kuma Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nyambura wa Maina.